like to share. Radhe Radhe everyone. So this is a chit chat video where I want to share some things. I am not using any kind of makeup today and coming from a evening walk, evening you can say टहल के आई हूँ. तो I want to share something that is, you have to comfortable with your skin tone, how you looks like, and makeup is very important because you have to present yourself in front of someone. So that's why makeup is very important. And if you think that no, makeup is external thing and it's not needed, it's like girly kind of thing, no, this is not. Makeup enhance your beauty and enhance the power, enhance the real you, and you have to represent yourself very beautifully, and it also boosted up your confidence. So wearing makeup is a very essential part today. Drink lots of water, lots of plenty of water, because if your skin is not healthy, wearing makeup is not enough. That time you have to drink lots of water. You have to maintain your body, like doing some yoga. These are some kind of tips and that I have to share with you. And for makeup, I am telling you, makeup is a kind of thing where you want to explore. You have to explore, you have to express your kind of style through makeup. So feel free to share your opinion about how you feel after wearing makeup, and also share some tips also about makeup and all, and skincare, hair care, beauty tips. I would love to hear your comments and your kind of opinions. So stay happy, keep smiling, and always pray to God. And I'm very grateful toward God, and praying in front of God, and very grateful for that universal part. So being a part of this universe, I want to share that I'm very grateful, very thankful towards God. Like, I want to say that I love you, God. Expressing yourself, feel free and feel confident about yourself. Confidence is within you, and all the girlies out there, don't be afraid of wearing makeup, and you are very beautiful, you are good to go, and you are enough, and don't feel you are left over or something. So always pray to God. Radhe Radhe everyone. Bye.